The Realme 12 Pro Plus arrived in January, and the company is already working on its successor, the Realme 13 Pro Plus. Realme 13 Pro 5G series will soon be unveiled in India, and it will consist of two phones, Realme 13 Pro and Realme 13 Pro Plus. The Realme 13 Pro Plus has been spotted on the TINA certification site, and this is Realme 13 Pro looks. And this is the fast look hands-on Realme 13 Pro Plus back and front side transparent back variant. It looks like the Realme 13 Pro Plus will also come in a transparent edition, that the Realme 13 Pro Plus will come with a circular camera setup. The Realme 13 Pro will be the first professional AI camera phone and is ready to redefine photography, per Realme. Realme just confirmed some key camera details for its upcoming 13 Pro and 13 Pro Plus smartphones. They'll sport two 50MP Sony LYTIA sensors for their main and zoom cameras. The main camera will premiere a new 50MP LYT701 sensor, a 50MP Sony LYT600 sensor with 3x periscope lens, and 8MP ultrawide. The cameras will be governed by the HyperImage Plus engine with what Realme calls cutting-edge AI capabilities for image quality that's on par with professional DSLR cameras. Realme 13 Pro Plus features a 6.7-inch curved AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. The Realme 13 Pro Plus will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset with Android 14. It will come with a 5050 mAh battery with 67W charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.